So in this problem we have been given this equation and we have to find the roots of this equation, and it is said that it has 4 roots. So we have to find 4 roots for this equation, that is 4 value of x. Now if you see, this number is written as some base raised to the power some exponent. So this number n is basically written as base raised to the power exponent. Now the left hand side and right hand side can be equal, that is this and this can be equal if the base are equal, because exponent is already equal. Here you have x square minus 9 and here you also have x square minus 9. This means one possibility is x is equals to 5. In that case base will be equal and this equation will be satisfied. So this means x is equals to 5 is one root. Now what can be other root? Now if you consider this equation, let us say if the exponent is 0, that is x square minus 9 is 0, what will happen in that case? In that case you can have any number for x. X can be anything. X raised to the power 0 is equals to 1 and 5 raised to the power 0 equal to 1. In that case both equation will be satisfied. Left hand side and right hand side will be satisfied. So x square minus 9 is equals to 0 will give roots for x. So this means other roots can be found by x square minus 9 is equals to 0. This means x minus 3 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. I am basically using the formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So from here I can say either this term is 0 or this term is 0. So if I put x minus 3 is equals to 0, this means x is equals to 3, and if I put x plus 3 is equals to 0, this means x is equals to minus 3. So now we have two roots here, that is x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 3. So we can say x is equals to 3 and x equals to minus 3 are roots. So these are roots. Basically you can check also, so you can verify whether this satisfies the original equation or not. So just let us check. So we have x raised to the power 3 square minus 9 is equals to 5 and 3 square minus 9. This means x raised to the power 9 minus 9 is 0 and 5 raised to the power 0. This means 1 is equals to 1. Similarly, you can check for x equals to minus 3 and you will find this also satisfies. So we have basically found 3 roots, 3, minus 3 and 5. What can be other root? Now see, if you have x raised to the power a and minus x raised to the power a. If a is an even number, in that case x as well as minus x both will satisfy this equation. In other words, what I am trying to say is x is equals to minus 5 is also a root. For this equation. So one root is x is equals to minus 5. So let us try to check this. So you will have x is equals to minus 5. So this equation is this equation. I can plug the value of x in this expression. So minus 5 raised to the power minus 5 whole square minus 9, and this side I will have 5 raised to the power minus 5 square minus 9. So I will have minus 5 and this will become 16, and this side we will also have raised to the power 16. So you see, in this case a is an even number. So a is even 16, and that's why either you take power of 5 or you take power of minus 5, both will be same. So I can write basically this will be 5 raised to the power 16, this is equals to 5 raised to the power 16. So this also satisfies. So x equals to minus 5 is also a root for this equation. So this is a root. So how many root we have? So in this case we have found 4 roots. So this is the first root, and this is the second root, and this is the third root, and this one is the fourth root. So we found the 4 root for this exponential equation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.